Hi Capricorn, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Capricorn, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys. We are picking few cards, Capricorn. These are for your general energies, Capricorn. This is for your relationship and this is for your career situation. If you want more clarity, guys, you can watch the pick a card love reading I have right after this general energy, guys. So you can stay tuned for that. So let's see what are these cards. We have Nine of Pentacles, Magician in reverse and Queen of Cups. So Capricorn, in your situation, it may be in your work situation or in your relationship, you are someone who is really devoted, dedicated, and you are a very helpful person to the people around you. You are really caring and nurturing everyone around you, and people really love you for that, love you for your heart, your kind heart, and you are someone who has a great intuition. So whatever the situation is, you listen to your intuition and you have your intuition guiding you. And though your actions or your decisions may seem random or impulsive, you do things based on your intuition, and that is the reason you are always right. You are never wrong, guys. You are always right when you're making important choices for yourself and doing things the right way. So intuition is guiding you perfectly, guys, today, Capricorn. And maybe that is the reason you may feel stressed today, because on certain things, whatever you did, there are some things that are not happening up to your expectation. Maybe you had your intuition telling you certain things, you went for those actions or decisions, but something has gone wrong, something, whatever is coming, it's not up to expectation. So some kind of worry or stress you may feel today, and you are worried about a lot. Maybe it may be regarding someone, maybe it is affecting someone close to you, and that may be the reason for your worries, guys. But whatever your situation is, guys, Capricorn, let it be some difficulties in work, maybe some mistakes in your work situation, or it may be some mistakes in your relationship. Maybe you have decided something wrongly, or you have spoken something without knowing what is there in that other person's heart. So whatever it is, and you are simply regretting whatever you spoke, or maybe this person, it may be their energy also, guys. So they are also regretting the words they spoke to you, maybe impulsively. But you can be happy, you can rest assured, guys, whatever difficulties you are facing in your life today, guys, Capricorn, all that is going to change, and this person may realize their mistake for having spoken those words to you, and they are regretting, maybe, or if it is your mistake, you are regretting the things you spoke to them, and you may come to a clarity and a better understanding with this person you love. So you are finding that balance, happiness in your situation, and that sense of satisfaction and emotional peace today, guys. So peace of mind. So let's see what is the card for your relationship. So it is Two of Wands in reverse. So with this card in your relationship, guys, you are simply going to be surprised today. Maybe that is what we were speaking about. Maybe this person will regret, they will understand you, and they will come to you to apologize. So they are visiting you all of a sudden, maybe surprising you. Maybe you were thinking they are angry, but they are here to surprise you today, guys. So That is what I see with these cards, Capricorn. Let's see what is the card for your career situation. So it is Justice in reverse. So in your work situation, guys, maybe you are someone who is really dedicated and you have a set of rules or guidelines to follow, or you stick to those no matter what. That may be the reason that people see you as a very severe person, and that may again be the reason for some troubles in your work situation, guys, Capricorn. So that is the reading for you all today, guys. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, you can stay tuned for that pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards. This is your first card and the first crystal, the second card and the second crystal. So any doubts or confusions, you can just close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card or the crystal that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start with the first card after a few seconds. Okay, guys, so now let's start the reading. Let's see what is the card. I will keep this card aside. So for those who chose this crystal and this card, we have Apache Tears. So with this card, it just means that letting go of the grief you are experiencing today, maybe of the past, and releasing all that pain and hurt so that you will heal from the situation today. So this crystal spirit, it does not stand for repressing your emotions or being afraid. It just helps you to accept the facts that what is happening today, and you need to release all that hurt you're feeling, all that heartache you are having. So in order to enjoy happiness and peace of mind in future, guys. So often when we are in some situation where things are not going as we planned and we feel rejected, hurt by someone, or certain things are not working according to our expectations, we really feel hurt. So we may experience a lot of pain and hurt, but we need to understand that someday when we look back at this day, we will be simply smiling because we will know the import of this situation then, guys, and we will understand that rejection is God's protection in some ways. So this crystal spirit is calling you to recognize that even this loss or pain we are bearing today will become an unexpected gift, and it will help us to live our lives more fully, lovingly and more meaningfully in future, and much more good things will come our way in our life. So we need to hold fast to the truth and see how destiny is unfolding for us in our life, guys. And we need to clear the space by releasing the past and washing away all that with our tears, maybe. And we need not hold on to the old emotions. So when we clear the space, something new is going to come in our life. So that is the energy with this card, guys. The Crystal Spirits Oracle card for you all today. So thank you for watching, guys. So now let's see what is the second card and the reading with that card. So we will keep this card aside. So for those who chose this crystal and this card, we have Goose Girl, Theft. So for those who chose this card, guys, It just means that in your situation, maybe there is someone who has wronged you very badly, and they have tried to take something from you, something that is really precious for you, and they have wronged you very badly. You trusted them, but they are not someone to be trusted. But whatever you have lost, maybe even you have lost your identity, or you don't know what you are today, and you have no one to tell what has happened today. But whatever it is, truth will always shine through, guys, and justice will unfold at the right time. So you need not worry. So people who are envious are trying to take something from you, or they have already taken, or maybe for some of you, if you have taken something from someone which is precious to them, you need to understand that though you try very hard to hide what has happened, justice will surely unfold, and you can never keep truth from being revealed, guys. So at the right time, truth will be revealed. So if there is someone who has wronged you, you should understand that you are unique, and your identity will never be lost, and it will shine through however hard you try to cover yourself up, guys. And you cannot be copied, and you are cared and protected for. And maybe people love you for what you truly are, your true nature, not for the possessions you have, not for the things you have, or how rich you are, or for your status. So you need to understand that. You need to understand that you are valued for your true self, not for the things you have with you, guys. So that is the energy with this card. For those who chose this card, you need to understand that truth will always be revealed, and you can never hide truth for a long time. So that is the energy, guys. Thank you for watching, guys. Watching this pick a card love reading. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.